before you get boiled alive.
Tortured by dogs.
Yeah.
Curtis! What is it? What is it, Burn? Crikey, what is it?
Millhouse, come here. Millhouse. Millhouse, come here. He never.
Oh shit, that's too close. Good girl, Cracky, good girl! Oh, can she get there now? She's being so good! Oh, this is totally going on my YouTube page. Praise her. Tell her she's a good girl.
Good girl.
Oh, I got video, baby. Oh, yeah, awesome! Good girl! Good girl, Cracky. Good boy, Burren.
That's great. Now they come over their natural fear of lobster, so they kind of run in the wild.
Whatever will get Burren to retrieve them.
They all taste like cheese.
Dude, did he just lick it?
Yeah. Dude.
Did you just shove it in the lobster's horny little head?
Oh! Lobster just said, not cool, man. Not cool.
Dude, is the lobster gonna eat the cheese?
Yes, it is. Dude, it's totally eating the cheese.
Ha 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 ha!